मैंने कहा कौन आ गया मेरे पीछे, मैंने देखा ही नहीं। गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग।
For breakfast, I'm having a veg sandwich and Araveer is having poha. This is the outfit. आप क्या कर रहे हो? मम्मा तो आउटफिट ऑफ द डे दिखा रही है, आप क्या कर रहे थे मिरर में देख के? This is my outfit of the day. This is a long tunic top from rosegal.com and I absolutely love these fringes. I am also wearing my Go Colors black leggings and my shoes which were from Westside, and these really lovely grey and polka dotted socks. I love these socks. These are from Metro. I have the same ones in like grey and pink and grey and yellow. And yeah, I'm also wearing my specs because they seem to match, but probably I'll take them off because I look like a big nerd. Yeah, on my lips, I'm not putting a lot of makeup on because A, it's monsoon and my skin doesn't like it, and also because my skin is nowadays not behaving itself, so I'm kind of leaving it makeup free for a couple of days. On my lips, however, I do have my ever so favorite Revlon matte balm in the color Sultry. Araveer. This is Araveer's painting we made. This is the tree that we got in Flinto box last month in July, and this is what we did with it. Bye बिट्टू, कहाँ जा रहे हो? गप्पू आंटी में जा रहे हो? आप कार में जा रहे हो? हॉस्पिटल अपने आप वैक्सीनेशन लगाने? Okay. Hello. I didn't explain where we are going. We are actually going to the hospital because this guy needs to get his vaccination done, and after this one, his next vaccination is after a year, which is like, oh my god. He's grown up so much that his vaccinations are not after months, it's after a year. And my mother-in-law is with us, and that's the little boy over there. Is Araveer? कितनी सारी butterflies है यहाँ पे, तो एक भी नहीं हो रही। अब ढूंढते हैं, जब आ रहे थे कि यहाँ पे थी प्रॉपर वाली, लाइक वहाँ नहीं जा सकते। पेड़ पे भी क्या है ये? देखो Araveer, butterflies. Araveer, हाँ, उड़ गई। We're back from the hospital. The vaccination went well. Now we have to go to the hospital next week actually. Araveer has recently been walking a lot on his toes, and my Dadi Saas said mention that to your doctor because it's not normalish, and I didn't mention it to the doctor, and thankfully that I did, because basically walking on the toes can cause some issues in the back part of your foot, so we have to encourage him to walk with his heel down, and I have to do a little exercise with his feet, and then we have to meet a physio next week. So that happened, but otherwise the vaccine went well. Of course he cried when they put the needle in, but he didn't cry a lot, which is good, which is so good. I'm sitting next to the roses. The plan of today is I might have to go shopping because Rakhi is like right around the corner, and I have to buy some gifts for my brothers. I also have to get a gift for my sister-in-law, so lot of gift buying to be done. Also, I wanted to tell you guys something. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this or if you've ever noticed it in a vlog, but Araveer calls me Mummy Ma, which is like such a cute thing. Like most of the times he calls me Mummy Ma. Like he calls me Mama also, he calls me Mummy also, but maximum he calls me Mummy Ma, which is like he came up with the word on his own, and it's like the sweetest thing ever. Mummy Ma. I'm making some mushrooms today, and I really like my mushrooms with a little bit of dhania in it. And what I do is I just dry roast dhania seeds instead of using the dhania masala. I just dry roast these and then crush them and put it, which is technically dhania masala itself, but this way the taste of dhania is like a little too stronger and a little too nicer. So what I'm going to do is in the mortar pestle, I'm just going to add the dhania seeds, the roasted dhania seeds, garlic and some adrak and ginger, and just grind these together and put it in the masala. Mushroom, gobi, dahi and paratha. I ordered some MAC mini sponges, and focus. I know mini sponges are supposed to be mini, but these are a little too mini than I thought they would be. Although I ordered this for the inner corners of my eye, and I think for that this is kind of perfect. Of course this will kind of grow a little bit more once wet, so का है? मम्मा का है? मम्मा का है?
बाय
बाय। अच्छे से बाय करो।
बाय
ऊपर नहीं, नीचे। Me and Arivir are off to go and get some Rakhi gifts for my sister-in-law and for my brothers, and yeah, basically I'm really confused what to get and where to get it from, so I really don't know what I'll eventually get. चप्पल की जरूरत नहीं है। Choco chip, हाँ, chocolate chip. This little guy has just gotten chocolate chip muffin and I'm getting a cappuccino. We're at Costa Coffee. The usual. I have gotten all the gifts that I came for. I went to South Extension Part 2 and yeah, pretty much got everything. I can't really show it to you guys because this vlog is going up before Rakhi and then everyone will see their gifts, and I mean, I like surprises. Huh? Abhi la raha hai. I really want this chocolate chip muffin right now. Are you single chocolate chip muffin? Triple? Triple? तुम्हें पता है triple क्या होता है? This one seems to be loving it. Hey चीती जान. Hi. हमने अपने मुंह पे देखा है पूरी चॉकलेट लगी हुई है लिपस्टिक की तरह. गाना चल रहा है. Arivir is dancing on the song and he's very confused because he's never heard songs like these before. A little slow in English. Uncle गा रहे हैं. But he seems to like it. Mama साथ बैठे हो आप? Don't worry, he's not gonna sit here while I drive. We're actually sitting and eating some corn. I'm surprised. I thought Arivir won't like it. He'll just have a bite and be like, I don't want it, but he likes it. He's like, Mama corn, Mama corn. Just so that none of you panic, he's back to his seat. I'm gonna go ahead and drive. Hey, Papa. Hi, hi. Happy birthday to you.